How we doing, folks? Right, we're back out. So I was up here the other day, got a wee bushcraft shelter, bushcraft oven. So I'm back today. I'm gonna try out the oven. So fingers crossed it works. So I've got some lasagna, homemade lasagna. I've got in a kind of tin kind of tub thing. So hopefully I should just be able to slot that in to the kind of shell for this oven that I've made. And fingers crossed that'll work. But that's just about here. So we'll recognise it the last time I was here. So the shelter, that's still standing. And here's our oven. So let's see if it works. So, like I say, I've got lasagna. So I've just got it in one of these, what would you call it, kind of takeaway tub things. So I'm hoping what I can do is just sit that on the shelf. Hopefully that'll heat up. And before we know it, we'll have lasagna for dinner. Can't beat it. But it's holding up so far. I'll just keep stoking that, keeping it nice and warm, heat it up. I might even think of putting a kind of front wall just to keep the heat in at the front as well. But right now, lasagna's on, so we'll just wait that cooking. Stay tuned. Right, while we're waiting on that cooking, I'll have a wee brew. You know how I like my brews. I reckon this wee bushcraft oven, I reckon this will be quite handy, see for cooking stuff in. There's a cracking wee spot this. A wee new spot. And the fact now I've got a wee shelter, there's this raised bed. This was actually here, so somebody else has built this raised bed, but I've built the shelter, I've built the oven, and I'll probably extend onto that as well, not just the oven but the shelter as well. But the lasagna's coming along nicely, I think. I'd actually brought I brought my hammock with me. I was going to put it up, but I'm quite comfortable just sitting. See now that the fire's on, or should I say my oven, I'm just going to sit here. Oh, it's good to be out as always, out in the woods. But just we're counting down the weeks now, counting down the weeks. We'll get back out. Oh, yes, cannot wait. Anyway, I'm gonna sit and enjoy the fire, enjoy looking at the flames, watch my lasagna cooking. Right, the moment of truth. Seems pretty hot to me. Oh yes, chicken lasagna, lovely. Chicken lasagna, don't mean if I do. Oh. Yep. That oven works. Superb. That's roasting actually, absolutely roasting. Oh, good. Right, I've now got a camp oven. Oh, plenty more to come with that. I'm now trying to think of the things that I can cook in that. I might be able to do whole chickens and stuff. I'll try to do that one night, cook a whole chicken. Whole chicken in the campfire oven. But I'm quite glad about that. Definitely is a handy wee addition. I'll probably get might even do a camp up here one night. But as ideal, that's just for you and just coming out during the day. I'm saying during the day it's kinda, I don't know, what must be about six or something just now. You can see the sun now starting to, not fade, but it's starting to go down. It's just great this, but she just sit. So all you can hear is birds tweeting, crackling in the fire, something warm to eat. Another brew in a minute. What more could you ask for? Brilliant. Right. Very nice it was. So, we have another wee brew. Why not? Gonna burn down the last of that firewood. Burn down the last of the firewood. Pour some water on it. So that extinguishes it. Make sure the place is left nice, clean and tidy. So always do it. What to say, leave no trace. I'm quite pleased. I can't tell a lie. I'm quite pleased I've made that.